How to add your Snapchat on your profile Facebook. I will show you guys how to do this, so let's do it. First, open your Facebook. It will open directly, as everyone know, on your homepage. Open right now your profile here. Then open your edit profile and come directly right now to the last button here in this page. Edit your about info. Come now to contact info and click edit. Right now, you should go to social links and click add social link. Here, as you see, Instagram, I will change it to Snapchat. Click it like this, write your account name and click save. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.